APVO stock is showing an immense amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend, up as you can see, 278% and even higher sometimes. The news is that the company said today that its Mipletamig combination therapy achieved an 85% remission rate in frontline acute myeloid leukemia patients. The triplet therapy with venetoclax and azacitidine showed a dose limiting toxicity or cytokine release syndrome, according to the company. And also, according to the company, Mipletamig's approach demonstrated strong efficacy and safety in patients who are unfit for chemotherapy, according to the phase 1B of 2 RENA trial results. The company also said that three patients, including one previously ineligible for transplant, achieved complete remission, including MRD-negative status. According to the company as well, Group 3 of the trial is nearing full enrollment at the highest dose level, with the company optimistic about Mipletamig's potential. Okay, so we are looking at, this is the underlying trend is a bearish one, so the stock is showing strength within that bearish underlying trend. Higher prices still extrapolated. We have prices going all the way towards 28.7 for Tuesday, the 1st of July. This is an extrapolation of the 3 period moving average. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will turn out that way. And ultimately, we have higher prices going all the way towards 46.24 by Wednesday, the 30th of July. Still extrapolations, absolutely no guarantee, that this will happen. You can't rely on this. These are just extrapolations. Let's see. In terms of projections, we have 9.8 still a down projection, and then 27.05 upper projection. This is its daily chart. We can have a look at its weekly chart and see if it has enough data or any extrapolations there. Here we have still upper projections here. We have higher prices being extrapolated. Upper projections, they are infinitely crazy. Well, I think the company has done some reverse splits. Yeah, so we have 268.88, 343.71, 389.93. You can't rely on these projections. You can't rely on them. We have you saw this now. 13th of October, we have 20,494. Absolutely can't rely on this. Yeah, these are island extrapolations, but you're optimistic. Let's come now. Let's back. Okay, somebody pointed out a 6 month chart to me once. Let's see what's going on here. It hasn't been around long enough to have anything here. No, nothing here. Nothing. So we come down all the way to the. We could still look at the 3 month chart, quarterly chart. Mm, yeah, the downward projections are unbelievably deep. Yeah, so we'll just ignore that and go to the 4 hour chart and see what's going on. Just keeping an eye on what's going on here. Okay, okay, let's return and see. This is the 4 hour chart. Let's minimize or bring it back a bit more. So here we have higher prices extrapolated all the way towards Friday the 20th. We have 11.53. After that, lower prices expected to print. Yeah, low prices expected to print. We have, in terms of projections, not upper projection, we have very deep downward projections. Okay, so let's look at the 3 hour chart. Meanwhile, the extrapolation of the 3 period moving average we have is 12.16. Okay, we have 3 hour chart. We have projections. We have a down projection of 3.71. High prices also extrapolated to remain in place up till the end of today's trading session. And after that, we may see a distributive contraction. High prices still inching to print up. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. 2 hour chart, what do we have? We have downward projection of 5.41. High prices expected to remain in place up till the post market session of today, the 18th of June. No downward projection, no upper projection. We have downward projection of 5.41. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have downward projection of 3.46. And high prices equally extrapolated to remain in place up till, yeah, just a few hours before the close of today's trading session. And then after that, a distributive contraction. Let's see whether we can see anything here on these single digit minute charts. Yeah, we have an upper projection here. We have 10.61 and 11.20. Yeah, 10.86 and 11.49. 10.86, 11.49. Let's take a note. APVO 10.86, 11.49. Okay, let's glance. I'll glance at the 5 minute chart. We have down projection of 7.55. Yeah, on the 5 minute chart. 3 minute chart, let's see. 3 minutes, let's see what we have. We have also 7.55. So underlying trend is strongly bearish. So not long ago as well on this 4 hour chart, we had 13.63, 17.2. We could we could note them. They may become relevant. 13.63, 17.20, and then 19.4. Let's see what could be behind the rejection we are looking at right now. It got rejected at 11.47. Is there anything there? Are there stumbling blocks there? 11.47. Not really that we have seen there. A couple of resistances there, if you like. 11.47. Yeah, it's currently trading at $12 now, is it? 11.12. Yeah, there might be some resistance there. There seem to be, but it's looking like it can break through and even test the highs of $13 and probably higher. Yeah. So what we can clearly see, there's a clear resistance here at 13, from 13.2 all the way towards 19.66. Yeah. Has it been it seems it has, yeah, maybe it may have been halted. Yeah, we're possibly facing the prospect of a halt. Oh, no halting, not halted. It's my yeah, not halted. Yeah, still active, still very much active. Trying to see if we can see what's going on. Get the data. There is some data, but memory is too low to load them. 300%, 11.1. high prices going on, but expected to pull back at some point. New intraday high about to print. Watch 11.5. It might change. Aggression is very high, surely, but we need to. I'm trying to see if it's going to load, but it's not. I don't have enough memory. Yeah, new intraday high 11.83 printed. Okay, so it's on now. 13. Yeah, you can see that 13.1 just printed suddenly. It is. It's just. Yeah, see that resistance I'm talking about? It just touched it close slightly. Touched it and got rejected again. So it might. Yeah. So this is how volatile it is. I'm not keeping up with them. I'm not keeping up with the. You can see where my price range is. It's not even close to where things are. I need to bring it to $12 and some fraction. Okay, somewhere around here, 12.55. This is the sell side and this is the buy side. 12.47. 12.1, 12.28. It's around that 7%. Okay. Okay, see what you make of APVO stock. Projections we have go all the way towards 19.4. We have 10.86 since exceeded that. 11.49 exceeded as well. 13.63 not there yet. 17.20, 19.40. With the even previous projections go all the way towards 27, but you can't rely on that, So see what you make of APVO, and thank you very much for watching this video.